Ever since was I a kid at school, I miss around with all the rules. Apologize, didn't realize I am not different after all. Me and the girls, though we had his sass, Valentino was all of us. How that said your more was the son Enrique. Og Enrique, typod na kong katangyan Enrique. Nga di na ko mapalit bisan dagan ko kwarta. I was running free waging war with society. Damn black pieces still fed at me, but nothing ever changed. Promises made me in the head of the night, creeping home before it got too late. I resolved that precious time, and a time I let survive. I was only joking, my dear, looking for a way to hide the fear. What kind of fool was I? I am still the winner, the winner. Never found a compromise. Collected lovers like butterflies. Illusions of that grand first prize are slowly wearing thin. Sita baby, you are good to me, but giving love unselfishly. But you took it all too seriously. I guess it had to the end. I was only joking, my dear, looking for a way to hide their fear. What kind of fool was I? I am still the winner, the winner, the winner, the winner, yeah, baby. Now you ask me if I am sincere. That was the questions I always feared. Verse 7 is never clear, but I tell you, Sita, what you wanna hear. I try to give you all you want, but giving love is not my strongest point. If that the case is fun is going on, I would rather be alone. 'Cause what I am doing must be wrong. Pouring my heart out in a song, owning up for a prosperity for the whole damn world to see. Quietly now while I turn the pages, Aquan is over without costume change. The principal would like to leave the stage. The crowd didn't still understand.